last night I had a failure, as you can see here, and all of these droopy spots. Turn on the light so you can see. So all these droopy spots, and then that caused this to fail, which caused this entire wall to just fail. So I'm going to show you how to fix it. Just go to the plate you're working on. Make sure you select the item. Once you select the item, come up to the top and hit the support painting. And then the easiest way to do it is you can paint it, you can do a sphere, or you can just fill. I prefer fill because it's easier. All you have to do is flip this, oops, let's undo that. Flip this over until you're at the bottom, and what you can do down here is select the bottom, and that'll center it. And then you'll see all of the overhang parts here. They're in a really light yellow. You just select them all. It'll turn into like a light blue. And once you have them selected, sometimes you need to zoom in a little bit. Oh, see, this overhang there, one there, one there, one there. So then you just double check, make sure you don't see any light yellow spots anywhere. And then come over up top and slice. And then that'll show you all the different spots that it just added supports where there were no supports before. This looks like it's overkill, but it worked. So
look at this. Oh, perfect. Oh my God. Isn't it great? Chris. I know, it's my dream. I have goosebumps everywhere. This is out of this world. What a birthday. I know. Happy birthday.
Stop. I want it. I got it. 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 I want it. I got it.
Here's the final. It came out pretty clean. No droopy. Everything's nice and clean. Nice and no droopy, disgusting spots. Everything is nice and square. And it came out pretty nice. So, hope that helps.